Get in your holiday spirits with a massive 30-foot star made out of 10 sections of electrical metal conduit. The project only uses 3 components: EMT conduit tubes, EMT conduit couplers, and Christmas lights. Before we hop into making the star, let's take a look at the trigonometry, just briefly. A regular star has angles of 36 degrees at the points and interior angles of 252. These irregular angles are hard to make out of custom bent metal, so instead we will be making a star with 45-degree angles at the points and 240 degrees at the interior. These aren't just random numbers, they fit exactly the pre-cut sizes of the metal. Before you get too far, you must know that this project requires conduit bending, which is done with a conduit bending tool you can get from Home Depot. You can purchase it or just use it in the store right there. We divided the tubes into 2 sets of 5 conduits. 5 tubes will have a 60-degree bend in it, and 5 tubes will have a 135-degree bend. Mark the center of the tube and then again 2 inches behind the center line. Place the tube into the conduit bender and align the second mark with the arrow on the bender. Place your foot on the pedal, pull, and step to achieve the 60-degree bend. For the 135-degree bend, we will make 3 bends, 2 at 22.5 degrees and 1 at 90 degrees. Mark 3 lines for these bends: 4 foot 4 inches, 4 foot 9.5 inches, and 5 foot 8 inches. Repeat the bend technique from before, making sure each consecutive bend is directly in line with the previous bend. Our goal is to form a V shape. Connecting these tubes together is done with EMT couplers. These are not structural in the least, and we learned this the hard way. I would highly recommend sliding a dowel rod into the tube before connecting it with a coupler. This will strengthen the joint between the tubes and maintain the structure of the star. And there you have it. Light it up and let it party. Massive 30-foot star. You must know
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
You must know that this project requires, and we learned this the hard way. Let's take a look at the trigonometry, just briefly. Strengthen the joint.
Have you been drinking coffee all day?
Christmas lights. Christmas lights. I would highly recommend sliding a dowel rod into the tubes. And there you have it. Light it up and let it party.